Hello, Algebra 1. This is just a little review before your Unit 10 Quiz 1. So the first thing we're going to review is how to classify a polynomial by degree and by term. Again, by degree is by the highest exponent. This one has a highest exponent of 4, and so the word that we do with the highest exponent of 4 is quartic. This problem also happens to have 4 terms. 4 pieces, and so that term or that word would be polynomial. Number 2, we have a highest exponent of 3. The word that goes with the degree of 3 is cubic. And we also have 3 terms, and that word is trinomial. And finally, we have a degree of 2. We call that quadratic. And this one has only one term, that is called a monomial. All right, so for these problems, we're going to do 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. The first one we're going to do, we have subtraction here. So subtraction, again, means we're not FOILing. We're just going to distribute our negative. I'm going to bring down my 2x minus 5. Negative 1 times negative 5x squared is positive 5x squared. Negative 1 times 4x is negative 4x. And negative 1 times negative 4 is a positive 4. All right, and then again, I am looking for highest degree to start. So I'm going to bring my 5x squared over. And then my x's, I have a 2x minus 4x, and that's a negative 2x. And I have a minus 5 plus 4, and that's a minus 1. Now, for the rest of these are all multiplying. We can see because the parentheses are pushed together, there isn't addition or subtraction in between them, and that means we're going to go ahead and FOIL. Okay, so again, FOIL is for multiplication. So we're going to go first, 4x times x is 4x squared. Outer, 4x times negative 6 is negative 24x. Inner, 5 times x is 5x. And last, 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. And then you've got some like terms here in the middle, and like terms we always go ahead and combine, okay? And by combine, I mean we're adding them together. So you have negative 24x plus 5x, which is going to be, I'll bring this down, a negative 19x. And there you go. Now, number 6, some of you might recognize a shortcut. I'm just going to go ahead and do FOIL, and then I'll show you the shortcut afterwards. Okay, first, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Outer, 2x times 7 is 14x. Inner, negative 7 times 2x is negative 14x. And last, negative 7 times 7, okay? Negative 7 times 7 is negative 49. What you should notice is that your middle terms are going to cancel when we combine them. 14x minus 14x is 0. So this is just a 4x squared minus 49. The shortcut, if you remember, is just doing first and last, and then you don't have to FOIL at all, and you'll get this answer right away. All right, number 7, we're going to go ahead and distribute. 4x squared times 6x to the 4th. All right, I'm going to do this in parts. 4 times 6 is 24. X squared times x to the 4th. I'm adding my exponents. That's x to the 6th. 4x squared times 4x cubed. 4 times 4 is 16. Again, when we multiply, we add our exponents. That's from our previous unit. 2 plus 3, that's x to the 5th. 4x squared times negative 5x. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. x squared times x is x cubed. And 4x squared times negative 9, 4 times negative 9 is negative 36, and then we just have x squared. All right, and our final one, 2x minus 5, squared. Please remember, you cannot distribute the exponent. It is not going to work. Okay, so when we square something, that means that we are writing it twice because we are multiplying it by itself. And once you write it twice, you can just FOIL like normal. First, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Outer, 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. Inner, negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. Last, negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Combine your like terms in the middle. They will not cancel because they are the same sign. Negative 10x minus 10x is negative 20x, and then again plus 25 because a negative times a negative is a positive. All right, and that's your review for quiz 1. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.